Okay, so we are live now. So let's start. So yesterday we covered how do you go about creating a custom search engines, basic custom search engines basically. So let's see. I'll click on first I'll search for Google CSE, then I'll get programmable search engine or csc.google.com. Both are same. I can just go from here as well. It will redirect me to the same website, that is programmable search engine.google.com control panel. And then if I have an existing, what we say, is existing CSS, it will show here. And if I don't have it, it won't show anything over here. In that case, I need to click on add. So once I click on add, I'll name it. And then I'll set up a sites. So as I mentioned previously also, as well in our past trainings also, asterisk for URLs is no more, but wherein asterisk for operator site is still exists because it replaces a word. It's not working on a pre or post continuation of a word. Wherein here it is working for a completely replacement of that particular keyword. Okay, that's reason like when we did yesterday, um, www.linkedin.com /in, and I just say add. So it got added, and I'll prove myself I'm not a robot. As I mentioned, X-ray is not dead. It's just that LinkedIn has blocked the scrolling of their profiles. But still, Google remembers the data. I'll go here. We will not get any result because LinkedIn has actually blocked, or maybe very few results. So about 3 results, that is impossible. Only 3 results on this thing. So again, I just come back. Again, we go back here. Like if you see here, star has been added here by default. So which is going for a continuation of it. So I'll just remove this and I'll put /star. So www.linkedin.com /in /star. Now we'll see. We'll save it. And then again, I'll refresh. Okay, so for 4,000 change results, I'll just go to the last page. So that is still not working. So now machine is learning. It started showing more number of results. So 30 profiles it's showing. Now I'll again go back. Again, I'll click here. I'll take this also as a start. Again, I'll come here, refresh. Now I go to directly 10th page and we still have a results. So we have to overcome the various ways of how exactly this works. So someone made a noise that X-ray is gone, X-ray is gone. No, X-ray is not gone. X-ray is still there and X-ray will be there. It's only that the website pattern keeps changing. And websites like LinkedIn, GitHub, Stack Overflow, or Stack Exchange, so they have a format for the public profiles. So now they're blocking that public profiles. They're not letting it scroll on a Google. They're not letting it be a SEO friendly. Earlier, till the time they got the brand, till the time they got the visibility, till the time they become a big, till then they were using Google so that Google's uh, scrolls the pages. Google shows the web pages of their public profile links. But right now, there are a lot of startups which are basically building a tools which are not doing nothing but only the X-ray searches in a backend and showing a list of results to the people and with some flavors on it. Then LinkedIn got upset about it, and LinkedIn says, no, let's not uh, do that. Let's not the public profile be visible on Google. Let's block that thing so that whoever is building such tools, customers are leaving LinkedIn and going to that particular platform. So definitely LinkedIn would be upset of it. Though yet they are going to that particular platform, but what's happening again from there? They are coming back to LinkedIn. Means they're using a LinkedIn data, but they don't want to pay to LinkedIn. They want to pay to the some other tool which are little lesser cost. But again, those tools are in a backend doing a X-ray searches and showing you the list of profiles. So LinkedIn will definitely say it's against the policy because you're using my data, you're showing all my profiles on your system, and again, people are coming back to my system. Why do I get my data visible to you? So that's reason, as per the SEO things, LinkedIn said, okay, no, will not go ahead, will not tolerate this, will block now. That I need to check. So LinkedIn.com, BOTS, robots.txt. So if you see all this, disallowed, disallowed, disallowed. If you see here, disallowed. Profile is disallowed. Earlier, it was actually in the allowed stage, but now this is disallowed. So whatever you see here, everything is disallowed. Here also notice says that the use of robots or other automated means to access to LinkedIn without the expression permission of LinkedIn is strictly prohibited. Okay, see HTTPS legal user agreement. Okay. LinkedIn may, in the discretion, permit certain automated access to certain LinkedIn pages for the limited purpose of including content in approved publicly available search engine. Okay. So if you see here, LinkedIn in discretion permits certain automated access to certain LinkedIn pages for a limited purpose of including content in approved publicly available search engine. So Google is still one of the approved publicly available search engine, but still LinkedIn says no, we don't want to show it. Okay, if you would like to apply for a permission that is called crawling LinkedIn, please email whitelist-crawl@linkedin.com. Now, all these tools who were depending on X-ray searches in a backend, now they have to write an email to whitelist-crawl@linkedin.com and get access to their APIs. Then only they'll be able to see. But does that mean the X-ray is dead? Yes, no? Is X-ray dead?
No, sir.
Okay, so X-ray is not dead. It's only that LinkedIn has blocked showing the public profile. You can definitely go ahead and X-ray GitHub, Stack Overflow, All Stack Exchange, and number of various sites. Any and all permitted crawling of LinkedIn is subject to LinkedIn crawling terms and conditions. So it's not X-ray is dead. It's LinkedIn has blocked the pages. So that's reason we will try the various ways so that whatever the data Google remembers, LinkedIn will still give us a result. So this is what I'm trying. Now, apart from this, I'll just go, I'll add additional refinements. I'll just go all search feature settings. Here we have refinements. Then we'll say add refinements. I'll go select the second one first. And let's say I wanted refinements where I wanted a list of top tech companies. I'll go to chat GPT. All right. tech, advanced, write a query, and then I'll just write here. Then I'll just go here, refresh. Okay, then I click on top tech. So initially I'll get some sponsored result. Those are the inorganic. And then, yeah, we got it from those top tech, whatever we mentioned at the backend. Now, like that, I can go and additional filter. Like in yesterday's session, we see how do we go about adding a diversity filter or their email IDs or anything like that. So whatever comes to your mind, try to add number of various refinements. Clear? Any doubt, any question for a basic custom CSE? Have we created such kind of a CSEs? Everyone,
Yes.
it worked for you? Yesterday there was a homework, right? So Anjali, Anusha, Anusha, have you created a CSEs? Harish,
Sir, I'm trying to creating, sir.
Mega, Mega Durani,
So I created one.
mm-hmm.
Uh,
Shiva,
Yeah, Shiva, I created three actually.
Sushmita,
Shiva, I had a question, but now I'm creating. If I have any questions, I'll let you know.
I asked you yesterday, that was your homework. Now in session, you don't create, please. Just wait for some time. Okay. So that's how the basic CSC that you'll have to create. And again, as I mentioned, level 3 examination is on a CSC and nested searches. If you couldn't create, see, and the test itself is designed in such a way until unless you don't implement it, you won't be able to clear the test. So that's how the test is designed. So I'm pushing you hard, but still, if you're not going ahead and creating, I really can't do anything. Okay. Now, so that's the basic CSE. Now going to the little advanced. Now we have something called query enhancement. Okay. So here I have a keyword, here I have a query addition, and here I have a web search extra query term. I'll just leave these two things, but I'll just leave the last one thing, but I'll utilize these two keywords and a query addition. Let's say in keywords, I'll add AIT, Indian Institute of IIT or Indian Institute of Technology, NIT or National Institute of Technology, VIT or Star Institute of, but this will not give me all premium. VIT, Vellore Institute, PEL, Lord, So here, if you see, we can go up to 1000 characters. In Google X-ray searches, we can go up to 32 characters, 32 keywords. But wherein here, we can go up to 1000 characters. So the limit over here is also very huge. Okay, so you can go as long as you wanted to go. So these are the keyword. Now, search engine will start giving a priority to the list of results. So modify keyword here. Keyword, what it's trying to do when I'm adding a keyword here, it is actually giving to give the priority. Something like, let's say, it is recommending to the search engine. Something like, let's say, if there is a police hiring is happening, cops hiring is happening, and some recommendation came, then that recommendation is always on top. So something like that. So this is something, though it is showing us a search result, but it will now start showing us a list of result with the recommendation who has mentioned IIT, NIT, all those things. So we just go here, refresh. So Java, Bangalore. Okay, IIT Kanpur. IIT Bombay. Let's go to last page. International Institute of Information Technology, Institute of Information Technology. Okay, Indian Institute of Technology. So it's on the last page. This won't work actually. Institute of Information Technology, Bhubaneswar. Okay. So this is actually giving us a priority. What it's doing is like keyword is going as a priority, but not a mandatory keywords. Now I'll just remove it from here. It's a cancel, and I'll go to query addition, and I'll say save. Okay, I'll just go back, refresh. Okay. Now, if you see, now National Institute of Technology, NIT Calicut, VIT, NIT, BITS, Vellore Institute of Technology, BITS, Indian Institute of Technology, VIT, but to on a last page. Last result of the last page is also from VIT. I'll go in between. Okay, BITS, Birla Institute of Technology, BITS, NIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, NIT, Vellore Institute of Technology. Here I don't see anything, so I'm opening the result. Boeing. Okay, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Mandi, Vellore, Birla Institute, MIT, Vellore, National Institute, Birla Institute, IIT, IIT Bombay, Indian Institute, National Institute, National Institute, National Institute. So what's happening here? When I'm giving here, it is actually taking it as a priority. Okay, and when I'm giving here, it is actually taking as a must to have keyword. So there are two things, one keyword and the other is priority. So in keywords, I'll just say, let's say algorithms and data structure. Additionally, let's say Java, Python, or Golang, or C++. Let's just save. Okay. Then I'll just go and have refresh. So Java, Bangalore, Java, we just searched here. Okay, if you see here, algorithms, we did not give algorithms here, but here it is highlighting algorithms, algorithms, because now that is giving a list of result with the priority with those particular keyword, Python, Java, that is on a last result. On last result also, we could see a candidate with Python, Java, as well as what are the keywords, what we have given the priority keywords to be given a priority. And apart from that, IITs and NITs or MIT or BITS, all the profiles. So this part is giving the keyword a priority, and the priority goes from left to right. And this part is giving a as a must to have keywords. I'll remove this, save it, and I'll just go here and I'll say both. I'll give priority in this way. And additional query, I'll say open to work, looking for new opportunities. immediate joiner. So open to work, looking for new opportunities, seeking new opportunities, looking for new opportunity, seeking new opportunity, looking for a job change, immediate joiner, available to join immediately, immediate joiner, immediate joiner is repeating, available immediately, searching for a new job, uh, star, new job, uh, star, new opportunity, uh, star. So here we are using star just for a replacement of a word. So star, new job, star, new opportunities, star, new opportunities. Okay, let's take this much. And I'll say save. Okay, and I'll just come here. And say verify. Okay, available immediately, available to join immediately, open to work, looking for a job change, immediate joiner, open to work, immediate joiner, seeking new opportunities. I'm a fresher. That too on a last page we are, not on the first page. On the last page also you have a most relevant profiles. Let's see the last result of the last profile. Searching for a job. Okay. Your last result of the last profile. That is in all result. Now I'll just go to top tech. Here also we'll get only those ones who are open to work. That means this query addition, which is must to have keyword, is applicable across the filters what we have created. Let's say I've created one filter of top tech. From top tech, all these are the people who are immediate joiners. So it is giving a double benefit of searching the profiles. Even on the last page, available immediately, available to join immediately. When searching for a job, mm, open to work, looking for a job change, immediate joiner, open to work, immediate joiner, seeking new opportunities. I'll just go here. Let's say an additional refinement. Let's say diversity. Row 6. University, school or college or university or institute or engineering. Mm, I think this work is enough. I'll say save. Okay. Again, I'll just come here, scroll, diversity. So first we'll get ads that you ignore. Again, diversity candidates who are available to join immediately. why these candidates are coming. Let's go to few more pages. Some non-diversity are coming. Let's go back. Diversity, advanced. Let's take this. Sorry. Control C. So this is giving for open to work. This I can give. I'll just take this. Come here. In text, open to work. In text is a strong, super strong command. First of all, double quotation is strong command, and in text with double quotations is more super strong command. So now I'm saying in text open to work, in text, all these things. And in text won't work with around operator.
Can you repeat once what you said last word?
In text. So double quotation is a strong command. In text in combination with double quotation is super strong command. And in text won't work with around operator because around function is different, in text person function is different. So in text immediate joiner, in text available to join immediately, in text available immediately, searching in text. In text, in text. We covered in the beginning, right? In title, in text, in URL. Now this is a strong use case of a in text when you should be giving, where you wanted to search, but if it is not coming, then go for multiple in text or multiple keywords. Stay safe. So here, open to work. And I just come here, refresh. Let me just search once again. So all diversity, because diversity is in a top refinement here. So that's the reason we are getting all diversity. Let's go to the last page. Yes, all diversity. Now I'll come open to work. It will take some time. Again, open to work. So diversity plus open to work plus instead of technology. College for women, diversity. So we'll have to give some time. Again, it will start working. Looking for new corporates because in a backend, it will take some time to understand. The engine has to learn. But you, as you keep teaching your engine, it keeps learning for your what you say from your inputs, and you'll start. If you see last result of the last page also, immediate journal. Though that's a spelling mistake, but system has learned it. Again on the last page, picking up new opportunities. So it will take some time. We'll just take 2, 3 refreshes. Topic, IBM, Microsoft. So diversity from top tech, whatever we mentioned. So this is how we give the additional refinements. And on top of the refinement, if you want to give additional query enhancement, you can give always a keyword where you'll get the list of keywords, whatever we enter over here as a priority. It's not like must to have, it's kind of a priority. It pushes those profiles first, which has this particular keyword. After that, an additional query. There's a query addition, which actually gives you as a must to have keyword. Now, this CSE has actually become a CSE for diversity profiles. I'll just remove this, save it. And with open to work, I'll just come here. I'll save here. So open to work. Again, I'll just go. Now open to work. Then I get all about open to work, guys. Open to work, open to work. Now here, what I'm trying to do, here I'm not pushing diversity as must to have, but I'm trying to say, okay, fine, give the priority to the diversity as well. So that's within 50-50%. Let's say I just take this and open to work, we take it from here. As I mentioned here, the priority goes with left to right. So I'll just take this first. So, okay, open to work. Now, if you see priority, it is giving a priority to the diversity now. Diversity, then again, second priority, it's pulling to the open to work profiles. So all diversity. So first priority was to look for diversity profile. So the priority goes from left to right. The priority of a keyword goes from left to right. Now, if you see here, when we put the diversity related things totally on the right hand side, then open to work was giving the priority. And now when we have given a diversity on the left hand side and open to work on the right hand side at the end of the keyword, then diversity is getting prioritized. And then again in a query addition, I just come. This will give this will apply across the platform now. All result. I'm seeing only diversity. Top tech. I'm seeing only diversity with IBM and all. What are the company? IBM, Microsoft. What are the companies we have entered in a backend? I'll just go to last page. Only diversity. I'll come to diversity. Any which ways we have given a diversity. Over there also diversity. So diversity only. Open to work. Again diversity. So Anusa says for diversity, can we try site linkedin.com/in? So Anusha, LinkedIn, any which ways it will fetch only from LinkedIn. It is not fetching a data from any other results because first priority is basically to search for a keyword, search for a results only from LinkedIn here. So this by default will search only from a LinkedIn. So you don't really have to give again site LinkedIn. Clear, Anusha? I don't know why you're unable to unmute. Anyone unable to unmute?
No.
So
I don't know. Anusha is unable to unmute. So LGBTQ, Anusha, you need to come up with the keywords. What LGBTQ keywords can be mentioned? Like for diversity, we have a keywords like girls or women's and all. And after that, we have worked with the around operator. We got that combination and we got the diversity result. Similarly, for it's all about keyword game. For LGBTQ, what are the keywords you'll be able to search for? Get up all the keywords and try to search for. So clear team, search features, search settings.
Yes, Shiv. Shiv, I created yesterday one, so it's not giving me results properly.
Can you share your screen?
Sure.
Yeah, you can share it now.
Can you see my screen?
Go to
Can you
backend.
see?
Yeah, go to backend.
Okay.
Again, I need to see the from the beginning.
From here,
Click on that. Scroll down. Okay. Okay, now go next.
next, where?
Wait. Scroll down. Scroll up slowly. Scroll up. Okay, now go to search features.
Search feature.
Hmm.
Here.
Hmm. All search settings. LinkedIn.
Here.
Hmm. Select the second option. Scroll down. Advanced. Write some query na here.
Oh, okay.
What query you want to write?
No, actually, this one was okay for Bangalore, actually.
Ah,
See
save
here.
it. First save it. Go back, change the practice, take a second option,
Okay, this is the mistake.
save. Here you don't have any refinements
Yeah,
actually. Though you just
correct.
named the refinement, but there is no refinement over there. Now go to Bangalore, take a second option. Refinement name is Bangalore, but what does refinement has to do? That has to be there in the advance. Hmm. Bangalore or Bengaluru. Okay. Go to right, connection, save it. Fintech companies, scroll down. Name is a fintech company, but what does the refinement has to do? It has to show for, okay. Now save it. Now go to CSE, refresh it, search.
I was searching for SRE.
Yeah,
Can I know?
yeah, SRE or DevOps, anything.
Actually, my query was, see, you will see this Alicia Sinha is everywhere. Just name is repeated only. Alicia, Alicia, Alicia Sinha. Overall, Alicia Sinha.
But those are different profiles, I believe.
Okay.
Open means there are so many profiles and what to do.
See again, Alicia Sinha, Alicia
But they are different
Sinha,
profiles.
Alicia
Your
Sinha.
system will take some time. This is your first CSE. Your system will take some time.
Okay.
Now go to Bangalore.
Yeah, now it's giving the
But now you're
results.
getting jobs and post and everything.
Hmm. So I will create the custom search and
Again, go
minus
back.
sign.
Go back again.
Okay.
Go back to
Go back to main.
main backend. Click on that. Scroll down. Remove second one because LinkedIn.com it is searching for the all post and all everything. It can search for job. It can search for post. It can search for anything and everything.
Hmm.
Now go back
Okay.
and refresh. Wait. Before refreshing, wait. Okay. And which will see you refresh. Okay. Now search. Put in double quotes. .NET space core. Put in double quotes. Give a location.
Okay, so we will find the results here, not from Bangalore.
Scroll down. Now you search for Delhi, but you also need Bangalore. So you'll get here people who has mentioned Delhi and Bangalore both in their profile. Maybe in past they are in Bangalore or currently they are in Bangalore, but means the profile will have Delhi and Bangalore both.
No
Click on
results.
fintech. Click on fintech. So four result. Your system has to learn.
Hmm.
Same
Okay.
result, same thing I'll create as it is, but you'll see the different results on my system.
Yeah, correct.
Let me just take over.
Yeah, sure.
You tell me whatever things you have mentioned.
Oh, No, I just created the yesterday one during session you were telling.
Okay, let's say okay, tell me what all requirements you mentioned. Anjali?
Location Bangalore.
Okay, location. Anything
Yeah.
else?
Yeah, I was investment fintech companies, banking, investment banking, and insurance companies. Can you type investment banking list?
I'll just add first like this. If it doesn't work, then I'll add in text, in text, in text.
Okay, sure.
Anything else? Location, fintech, anything else you want, Anjali? Now I'll say
No,
here
Shiv. No.
under the query as enhancement. All right. So I'll just go. I'll take these keywords. So under the keywords, I'll just give all these keywords. It says save. Just go back. Okay. DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer. Bangalore. Get from Bangalore. So it will take few minutes to learn. So if you see Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, JP Morgan, JP Morgan, JP Morgan. I'll go to the last page. JP Morgan, JP Morgan. So my system has learned it for over the years of time. So that's in the same search, same CSE you're creating, same CSE I am creating. But for me, it is working. For you, it is taking time to work.
Hmm.
Okay, so there's a slow machine learning involved in this. You have to teach your system. You have to continuously improve, continuously implement this thing. Then your system will keep learning. Then your machine will keep learning. Google has CSV. Google has AI/ML in it. LinkedIn has AI/ML in it. The more you keep using, the more it keep refining the searches. Now, if you see the keywords, whatever we gave here, all search feature setting under the query enhancement, it's not yet what we say highlighting, but let's have like 2, 3 refreshes. Though your DevOps, Git, AWS, Docker, Jenkins are there, it's giving, but I wanted it to highlight Docker, Kubernetes, Helm, Jenkins.
So for highlighting, we need to add this to query, na?
We have to add a query. It will highlight.
As a
Though it is,
must keyword.
no, this is as a just the priority keyword.
Okay,
Query
yeah.
condition is must keyword. So this is priority. I'm just giving a priority. But if I just give as a must, I'll remove from here and I'll say query addition. Now this becomes as a must. Cloud, automation, cloud, Ansible, cloud, Ansible, cloud, Jenkins. Okay, so here I used in title, SRE or in title DevOps so that I get the most accurate result. So again, as I mentioned, now if you're using CSS, don't stop using in title, in URL, in text. So take a combination of both. CSS is super strong commands. So if you see even the last profile also, cloud DevOps engineer, cloud infrastructure management, continuous integration, deployment. Like you see the quality of the profile also, cloud DevOps, senior consultant, Indian Institute. all this. So for junior DevOps engineer, is this the right match, Anjali?
Yeah, Shiv.
Okay. So again, whatever we have learned it till date, implement everything in this. So that's the reason I was pushing so hard. Understand every single basic operator to the core. Because once you understand that, then here by using Google CSE, you can come up with some of the amazing CSEs. Anjali, now you create the same CSE. Let's see if this works for you. Let me just stop. You can share a screen. I'll ping a
I-
keyword. You take it
I'll
from here.
create later.
Huh?
I'll create later.
You create now. That's fine.
Like there is lots of
No
keywords.
problem. Just create. It's a live training. It's for everyone.
Okay.
Same thing, whatever I created on my system, I'll send you the keywords. You send it, you create a new search engine on your system and see if it is working for you. Go back and start fresh. Start with new set. Add. No, no, add.
Add.
Just new engine altogether. DevOps engineer.
I'm focusing on SRE.
SRE or DevOps, both are same.
No, Shiv.
Okay, some people say some people say no. That's fine. When it comes
Actually,
to the skills, it's all
SRE platform engineer.
that. Okay,
More into development side.
got it. Okay, now go for this. Star dot linkedin.com /in/star.
Here.
Hmm.
Okay. What?
Star dot asterisk dot linkedin.com /in/asterisk add. Prove that you're not a robot. Create. Customize all search feature setting. Add.
Here. Yeah.
Now, okay, let me tell you what are things you need to add. Okay, fintech companies. I'll share you the keywords. Yeah, I just sent here in the chat.
Can it be directly copy pasted?
Huh.
Add
Add refinements. Not there. Scroll up. Add. Second, fintech companies.
here.
Advanced. No.
Advance. Okay.
Hmm.
Mhm. Where is
Chat. Zoom chat.
why it is not getting?
Unable to copy.
I did copy, no?
Let me
Why it
send
is
you
not
personally. Yeah,
getting?
again, I sent you personally. Just check if you can copy now. Okay, if you have it, just take it.
It is not getting copy pasted, I think.
Are you on a web WhatsApp? Let me send you over there. Yeah, I just sent in a group. Copy it, and I'll send you the other string also. No, this is not the engine. Just close it. Okay, and then additional keywords also I sent it. Just take those keywords and add in a query enhancement. Go to backend.
Here.
Keywords. These are just the giving a priority. It's not giving a as a must to have keyword. It's only the priority. Save it. Now go back. Not here.
Go back.
Not here. Back to all engines.
Hello.
Back to all engines.
Back to all engines.
Yeah.
Just a second. Let me connect charger.
Mhm.
Yeah, sure.
Now SR engineer, click on that, the one which you created. Okay, go to public URL. Now in title, SR engineer. So how many results you got?
572.
572. Go to fintech companies.
101.
101. Refresh. 13.
13.
Refresh. Refresh.
50.
50. Refresh.
13.
50. 50. Refresh. 13. Refresh.
45.
13. So your system will take some time now to learn. So you have to keep on implementing it. Same search is on my system. Let me just share it.
Yeah.
Same thing is on my system. Okay, I just give Bangalore and fintech companies. I'll just go back. New title. 258. 458. Fintech companies 228. 285. Okay, now if you see script automate, it started highlighting now across.
Yeah.
The system has learned in last 10-15 minutes. Now if you see
Hmm.
script continuous integration, continuous deployment, script
Hmm.
automation, Ansible or orchestration, all these things. So automation, Python, automation, orchestration, scripting, automation, Jenkins, containerization, script automation. Where did I give? Okay, query addition. I'll just wait for some time. I'll say no, this is not must. I'll just remove from here, save it, and then I'll just go query addition. Even if I give in a query addition, it will take some time, some hours or some minutes, based on how fast it is learning, and then it will start highlighting it for me. But now if you see,
Hmm.
you're getting 50, but I'm getting almost 300 results.
285. Yeah, 300. 457.
549. One person from Bangalore. Let's take this search and do. So LinkedIn has actually blocked. So direct search, it is not giving me because it has actually blocked the scrolling of these results. Slowly, this will also disappear. But does it mean that we don't have those many results? No, we have lot many results. But yes, we have to. Okay, so system will learn. It will take some time to learn. Clear team? Any doubts? Any questions? So this is for LinkedIn. They have changed the behavior. They have stopped scrolling of the web pages. So that's the reason sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. But as I was doing from the year, my system learns little fast. But yeah, you try for some other websites also. And I'm sure that you'll be able to see some of the amazing results. As I mentioned yesterday, homework was there in your own resume or CV, and all the searches has given. How many of you have completed the homework? If no one has done, then this week you have a time, do it, because until unless you don't do that one, you won't be able to clear the assessment. So implement this. And what else? I think, yeah, pretty much. I think we are done with all about Google search.
Should please make it note na few things you told in the session like what in-text is must and when we use
No, no, no.
in-text there
See,
should not be.
in text, what I'm saying is a strong command, which we covered in past as well.
Hmm.
Double
No,
quotation is
something you
particular
said na
strong
which
command.
should when we use in-text we don't what use something
Around,
like that.
around.
Around.
Yeah, for memory, uh, like on notes, make it there. I was saying.
Sure. So if you see here, all about Google search, we have done this, everything. Then we have completed this, and then we have completed this. Okay. So these two things itself, we have taken almost close to 3 months. November 4th week we started, then December last week was slow, Jan first week was slow, but still 4 weeks from November to December, and then 3 weeks in a month of Jan, almost 7 weeks, and we are in a third week of February. So 10 weeks, we have just taken all about the Google search. The reason because we went that slow, because if you don't master these two slides, then creating some of the amazing CSE, you won't be able to create. So create the CSEs and feel free to set up a time of 20 minutes. I'll share my calendar link once the training is done. When the closing call is done for tomorrow's batch, weekday batch, the same session is pending for them. Once it is done, then I'll be sharing my calendar link. You create your Google custom search engines and then feel free to book my calendar for 20 minutes. I would review your search engines and see if they're correct or not. I don't need a super strong or super extraordinary search engine, but I need the concept to be clear. And don't create only for LinkedIn, create for some other, what we say, other websites also, GitHub, Stack Overflow, Allstack Exchange. Anyone created a CSE for GitHub, which should show resumes or CVs only from GitHub? So just try to create a CSE from GitHub, only for GitHub, which should show, means your CSE should show only resume or CVs only from GitHub website. So just see how the format of a resume or CV in the GitHub looks like and try to come up with a search engines which can give you the results of resumes or CV only from the GitHub website. That would be your another homework. And try to create at least 2 or 3 CSEs and set up a time with me in coming week. I would review, set up a time for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll share a calendar link with you. I'll have to review your CSEs. And then after that, coming week, you'll have a level 3 assessment. After that, we'll go. I think LinkedIn will not take much time. LinkedIn will be done in a 1 week. Mm, so yeah, next Saturday, Sunday. We'll do next Saturday, Sunday both. At least 6 hours. 3 hours on Saturday and 3 hours on Sunday. So LinkedIn would be done in 1 week. Then all tech sourcing, it would be another one more week. Again, Saturday and Sunday, 3 hours on Saturday and 3 hours on Sunday will connect. And then 2 weeks. Yeah, another 2 to 3 weeks, we'll be able to complete everything. 3 weeks maximum. But as I mentioned, the initial 2 slides, whatever we covered, uh, all the notes are there, everything is there. Until unless you're not super strong in these two things, you won't be able to create some of the amazing CSEs. And the level 3 is completely on that, which is a combination of a certain set of questions from level 2 plus additional questions on CSE and nested searches. And again, the passing score remains same. That's a 90%. All right, team.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir.
You're good?
Yes.
All right then. Shalom then. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Let's connect next week.
Thank you, sir.
Go through recordings. If you're stuck, go through yesterday's and today's recording. You can just go to my channel and just go to YouTube, search for my name. Let's go here. You have something called live. Go to all these live links. Sourcing Express, how to create Google CSE part 1, how to create Google CSE part. Before that, nested searches also. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.